Today I want to go over how you guys can create high click rate game icons for Roblox. Now obviously it's going to vary from game to game, therefore I will be going over certain principles you can follow for each icon to maximize your results. So to begin, one of the easiest ways and most conducive to a great icon is a nice background. So I'm going to show you guys how to quickly create a background that is appealing and also eye-catching. So here we are inside Photoshop. The first thing is to choose a color of your choice. We can go for orange, for example, and we're just gonna hit Alt backspace. This will fill our background with our desired color. And on a new layer, we're going to go to our gradient tool right here. We're gonna go for the radial gradient option, select reverse. We're going to reset our colors and make sure it is on this option right here. And now essentially what this is we are going to use this gradient, and our first point of this gradient, it is basically going from transparent to our foreground color, which is black. So let me show you guys. If we drag from the center of the canvas, you will see it goes from transparent to black. Now we can change the mode to overlay, for example. Now you can see we have some variation in the background. And now we can make a new layer. Once again, we're going to use our brush tool with the hardness all the way down and opacity and flow somewhat low as well. Paint on the center like so. Just click a few times and change the mode to overlay. And if you go online, you can look for a nice sun rays PNG texture to add onto your background, like this for example. So if I go ahead and add this, I will change the blend mode to screen, for example, and now you can see we have this nice effect going on right here. Oops, change this right back. Now if you want to go a step further, you can add these action lines like so, and these can also help your icon like this. I think looks pretty good. Alright, now I'm just going to add my character for an example. I'm going to show you guys how you can modify your characters to make them look a little better. So first thing for me is if I copy this, rasterize layer, and also clip right here, I can filter, blur, Gaussian blur like so, and change the mode to soft light right here, just like so. Merge, and now we can start adding some effects such as a bevel. We can add a nice little highlight like this right here. We can add a gradient overlay like this. We can add a glow if you want. Let me fix this a little bit. Give me a second. We can double on the inner shadow, make this one darker, kind of like this. Increase the size and overlay for some more shading like this. So you can apply these effects to your renders as you put them over the background. If we take everything, Control G, we're going to make a new layer. We're going to go for image, apply, I'm going to hit OK. We're going to copy this, so Control J, filter, camera raw filter right here. Basically, we're going to use these sliders to adjust our image. I'll show you guys a before and after right here. There we go. So you can see we can make this more appealing. Right, here is the before and after, and that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.